Alright, what's up? So, we're working on my car now. Finished my brother's, but now it's mine. Already started recording, but I already took apart my car. So I'll show you guys what I'm doing right now. This is my car now. Yeah, I know. It's leaking oil from that thing right there. But took the old turbo off. I'm gonna put the new turbo, Precision 6262. Jamie's helping me out. Right now, we're gonna clean this off because too much surface rust. But yeah, we're gonna do this. We gotta change the oil feed line. And yeah, we're gonna do all that right now. So yeah, I'll do a time lapse of all this. Alright, turbo's on. Jamie's welding up. Huh? No, I'm tired. Jamie's welding the exhaust. It's ready. Christian's cold, so he's putting the fire. Yeah. Now we already mocked it up. Make sure it is what it is. Make sure it won't hit. But yeah. Nah, I was eating these and these are pretty spicy. I know I'm a bitch, but don't matter. Oh yeah? Hopefully tomorrow. But just gotta. We gotta cut that to fit that because it's too long. Then we gotta put the oil feed line. I gotta put the oil feed on. Do an oil change. Put the new fuel pump. And that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Then we should be straight. Since yesterday we couldn't take the dipstick tube out, but with our manpower here, we finally took it off. Just a matter of wiggles and hits. That sounded kind of. Yeah. So now we gotta change that because that was leaking.
I need to stop wiggling shit, dog.
I ran out of breath. But now we just gotta cut that into size for the turbo because we're gonna kink it. There's a lot of things.
Okay, let's get to work. Come on. Yeah.
All right. Christian's here doing this one. As you can see, it's coming out. It's just a matter of wiggles. Christian likes to wiggle stuff. So there you go. That one's out. Nice. We did a good job. Cover up the stash. That was the way about that. Come take it. All right, now we got which one?
Yeah?
Which way?
No, just.
Oh.
Pero está un güey que tiene un Civic.
Oh. Alright, now we walk to the. You know, I was really worried about this thing. I was thinking we couldn't take it off.
Yeah.
It's the same thing?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I'm gonna wrap my exhaust because they're too scared and I'm gonna show them how to. So. Why are you guys scared? It's easy.
It's easy, yeah, it is.
Are you recording me? Nope. How long did I take it? 2 minutes? 2 minutes already, you're not halfway done. Yeah, okay.
Oh, these?
You want like that?
I want the pipe.
You can start recording now, Christian. Alright, guys. This is gonna be the first. Huh?
He's gonna edit. No, you gotta touch the manifold though so you can prove that it's this cold start.
Is this cold start? You see cold start. Either way. First startup of the car. Everything is good. Piping is good. Hey, don't want to start up.
It ain't got no power.
Feels like it's warm already. ready for March 5th. Soon. Right? It's ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
Ready to, I'm gonna gap the shit out of you. But yeah.
I think you also went bad.
Why?
It just throws you right into
It
tense.
twigs. Can you do the same thing?